This video continues our series outlining the uses of Trim 3D Building Designer. In our last video we finished off building our 4 walls. In this video we'll join these walls together, then finish off and tidy up our model design. Can I just emphasize, however, how we use the mouse with this piece of software? You'll find that you don't often click and drag in SketchUp, that is, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse. To move a piece, the technique is that you click on the move icon, you click on a piece, and you release the mouse button. This signifies to the software that you're about to operate on, for example in our case move, that particular piece. Then you just slide the mouse so that the piece goes to where you want it. You don't have to be holding the mouse button down at the same time. You'll find that's a much more relaxing maneuver for your hand and your arm than it is click and drag. So now what I'm going to do is join up these 4 walls. Let's zoom in and we'll click on the move icon. We'll just click on the face and drag this wall a bit nearer to where we want it joined up, and then we can zoom in. Now here, to illustrate something, I'm going to grab the wrong piece, the wrong part of the wall. That is a point that's going to go to the outside of the wall, and I'm trying to put it onto the inside here, and I can't force the gable end wall through the front wall. So let me just put it down and grab the right piece, the right section of the wall, that one, and now if I move it in, it clicks into that corner very nicely. The join is beautiful. Let's orbit around and look at the outside of the join of those two walls, and that looks pretty good from the outside as well as from the inside. We zoom out, rotate around, and let's go and get the next wall. Same procedure, we click on the move icon, we click on the wall, and we slide the wall nearer to the corner. We zoom in, we grab the actual part of the wall that we want to move, in that case this corner, and we slide it into that corner there on the gable end wall, and the two match up beautifully. We're going to get our 4th wall now and do exactly the same process. Click on the move icon, click on the face of the wall just to drag it nearer to where we want it to be. Orbit and pan around until we get into a good position where we can see everything that we want to operate on. Oops, sorry. Go back out and start again. We just grab one of the corner elements, grab that and move that in to the right place that it should be. Snap, that goes into place. Now an important test of your skill is whether you can now dare to go and look at the 4th corner that you haven't operated on. Let's go and have a look at this 4th corner here and look what the join looks like. I think that's a pretty good join. The important thing is that we've now got all our 4 walls joined together, and we can tell that the windows are all at the same level, therefore the floors are all at the same level, and we can also confirm that the links all line up. Now I think our house would look a little bit better and make it a more welcoming building if we took out the existing door and put in an open door. So let's do that now. We'll choose this door. I'm going to drag it across nearer to the house, put it near to the existing door, click out of the move control, and let's explode this wall. To get rid of the door we need to delete the door, but we need to explode the wall first. So let's do that. Then we can delete the door just by using a key on the keyboard. We hit the we hit the move icon, we click on the door and we slide it into that position there. Perfect. Oh, sorry, that's my hand slipping on the mouse. And now I've grabbed the wrong piece because I've grabbed a piece of the window. So let's just go Ctrl Z to undo that, move the door away again and try again. Grab that piece and slide it into position there. Perfect. So now we've finished our house and got quite a welcoming open door to come to it. Let's group all that together as one piece. I click and drag to outline. Then I right click and say make group. We're going to tidy up this file now by deleting the pieces that we've not used. If you want, you can just click on a piece and then press key on the keyboard. Press and delete. But what is easier to do is click and drag around a group of pieces and then delete them all together. Move across, do the same, click and drag around them, highlight them all and then delete them all together. I like to finish off the model by dragging it to the origin where all the axes meet, just for the sake of neatness, and that's what we're going to do here. Click on move, click on the face of the model, move it roughly to where we want it to be, zoom in, grab a corner and pull it towards where the axes meet, and suddenly you'll see a little yellow ball and the sign origin appearing. Okay, let's look at the extent of our model by using Shift Ctrl E. And now we can look at our beautiful model. We've finished it. It contains our building of 4 walls, and all we've got to do now is get some pieces from another file which has the roof elements on it and add those to our building. Here's another advantage of this software. I think you can see clearly which type of piece is in which position in your model. This will help when you come to build the physical model from the plaster casts. You won't be trying to decipher which piece is where, or where one piece ends and another starts. Why not use this software now with some of the building plans that ScaleCast and Linka have made available on their websites? That'll get you off to a safe start, and then you can let your imagination rule with your own models. Finally, on behalf of Trim and London Web Software, the business that created this program and these videos, may I say that I hope you have a great time designing and building your models.